Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up stop loss and take profit on the Bybit app in a simple and easy way. This is very important for managing your risk and protecting your trades, so make sure to follow each step carefully. So let's get started. First, open the Bybit app and tap on the trade icon at the bottom center of your screen. This will open your trading panel. Now, select the trading pair you want, for example, BTC/USDT. Next, enter your trade amount. For example, you can use 50 USDT just like I'm showing here. After that, enable the take profit/stop loss option. This will activate the feature so you can set your limits. Now tap on the plus or edit option to open the configuration panel. Here you can set your take profit level. You can either drag the slider or manually enter the price or percentage where you want to take profit. As you adjust it, you'll see the expected price and percentage change. Then do the same for your stop loss. Set a price or percentage where you want to limit your loss. This helps you avoid big losses if the market goes against your trade. Once you are satisfied with both values, tap on confirm to apply the settings. Now your trade is protected with both stop loss and take profit levels. And that's it. You've successfully set up SL and TP on Bybit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tutorials.